At least 16 species of reptiles and amphibians are found in and near the Kirby Park Natural Area wetlands. Some common species along the river or in the wetlands are red-backed salamanders, snapping turtles, and bullfrogs. The lucky observer might see a rare map turtle basking in the sun near the river. Spring peepers can be heard calling in spring as evening approaches, and gray tree frogs may be heard calling during the day or evening in summer. American toads are found almost anywhere along the trails in the natural area, and they, too, can be heard singing their trill-like song near the wet areas in spring. Fowler's toad, a rare species in northeastern Pennsylvania, has also been identified in the natural area. Several species of snakes are found in the Kirby Park Natural Area. Common species include eastern garter snake, black racer, and northern water snake. Also, the northern brown snake, which is rare in northeastern Pennsylvania, has been found here.